ladies, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about Slayy Cosmetics and some of the amazing opportunities and just new stuff that we have coming up. Now, as some of you may know, I am a brand ambassador to the company, and I just want to let you ladies know a few of the new things that we got coming up. So the first thing is the Slayy Beauties membership. Now y'all gonna see me look down quite a bit because it's a lot of stuff for your girl to remember, and I got mommy brain. I forget every damn thing, so I had to write it down so I can remember it. Okay, so here we go. It's called the Slayy Beauties membership. Now this is surrounding our new YouTube channel called Slayy Beauties. I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description box. But it will feature looks from customers, PR members, as well as ambassadors like myself, and it will feature looks using Slayy Cosmetics products. And the channel is geared, ladies, for real, toward empowering each other, building each other up. And it also gives you a great way to build your subscribers, your followers. Just really put your channel out there, put your name out there, put your work out there. And I'm gonna leave I'm gonna leave the channel description and the name and the actual link to our channel in the description box. Now, here are the requirements, ladies. You must have an active beauty page. Active just means you get on there, you are you're posting, you're doing videos, your lives, or whatever it is you do. And it must be on either your Facebook, it can be your YouTube, or your Instagram. Do not stress, it does not have to be all three. You do not have to have an account for all three, whichever social medias that you are active on. Second, you have to be willing to create makeup videos using the Slayy cosmetic products. Also, as well, you have to we're going to have you sign a release form that just gives us permission to use your video onto our YouTube channel and for other, promoting type of situations, y'all. Forgive me, I got mommy brain like hell today, but we're going to get this video together. It also, other requirement is, well, it's not really a requirement, but it's suggested. If you go live on Facebook or IG, that is perfectly fine. We encourage it, but it's not required. It's not necessary. Okay, and what else, y'all? Hang on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Ooh, Lord. All right, let me tell you what the Slayy membership also includes. It includes an extra 35% off your personal purchases. So whatever you ladies pick and buy on the website, you get the extra 35%. And we are all trying to shop and keep some coins at the same time. It also helps you gain, like I said before, help you gain and increase your subscriber count and your follower count. You get access to all the new products, okay, before they are released to the public, okay? And not only do you get all products released before actually released to the public, you also get them at really great low prices. If y'all are like me, y'all you love a good deal, okay? You love a good product on the low. So it also gives you that. You get free product samples as well as free gifts. And you get to have your looks featured on the social media for Slayy Cosmetics, as well as a free 7-day YouTube video advertising, y'all, okay? And you get all of that for the membership fee of $25. And it's a $25 membership fee just to ensure that you are serious about this, that you are committed to this. And for only $25, you get all of those amazing deals. I'm going to type everything I'm telling you in the description bar, so that way you don't miss anything. Last but not least thing I'm going to explain to my babies, all right? If you are interested in being a Slayy Beauty and having a Slayy Beauty membership, we are doing a New Year's 2019 raffle, okay? So let me tell you, it ends on February 28th, 2019, y'all. Anyway, it ends on February 28th, okay? The winner will be announced on March 2nd. And the winner will be contacted via email or phone. So we're going to run down and I'm going to tell you what the winners will receive. So the first place winner, y'all, will receive a package valued at $450. Okay. Your girl did not say $4.50. I said $450. Let me tell you what you're going to get in that package. You're going to get a handmade lace front wig by my girl, okay, the owner, Miss Diamond Allure, in inches between 10 and 18, okay. You get her, you get the Khimani L signature palette. Y'all, excuse me, I'm just blah, blah, today. Amazing palette. You get the Ariel Kaleidoscope palette, full of amazing fun colors. Perfect for the spring and the summertime, y'all. Okay, you also get a Slayy Matte Lippie. You get 3 makeup brushes as well from the 2018 brush collection. I'm going to put some pictures in here somewhere over here or over here. And that way you can see, you know, all the bomb brushes. Second place winner will receive the Aaliyah Rose palette, which is a very pretty palette full of just pressed glitters. Amazing. You will also get the Ariel Kaleidoscope palette, the palette I just told you with all the beautiful colors. And you get a Slayy Matte Lippie. Third place winner will receive an Ice Cream Dream palette. That's the palette that I used to create this look that you are seeing, as well as a Slayy Matte Lippie. Just let you ladies know, the raffle tickets are available for purchase via website individually, or you can get a ticket bundle. Individually, the tickets are $3. So visit the website. It's www.slaydcosmetics.com. And you can also use your girl's code iCandy, all caps, to get your shop on, you know. So that is what is going on. Once again, please do not forget to head on over to the Slay's Beauties YouTube channel. All information in this video, because I was tripping over my words, will be in the description box. And please, ladies, take this opportunity and this offer, because it's an amazing deal, amazing palettes. I will be featuring a look once or twice a week starting tomorrow with Slayy Cosmetics palettes and other products. So stay tuned so you can see all the slays, and I will catch you queens on the next video.